We're at Picknpull in Rancho, Cordova, California. It's a 1979 Corvette. They tried to sell it. It was already like this. They sold it as just a project, or they tried to. No one took the bait. So here it is. Not a lot on it. Back window's good though. I bet that's expensive. This thing's just stripped. '98 Camaro. Here's this. That's complete. 99. '2001 Chevy Corvette, Picknpull and Rancho. I do not know what happened to this thing. I'm guessing it was launched into the water and then abandoned, and they dredged it out a few years later. Damn. Why would they put this out on the yard? Oh, look at all the fishing line. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that hook. I'm looking for a lure. Man, so many people caught a Corvette and they didn't even know it. What's this little dress thing? I hope that's not an occupant's. Firebird. 3800. Tiny motor. 2002. Oh, that's fancy.